Content creation is honestly becoming exhausting and overwhelming. Creators today use ChatGPT for writing, Canva for slides, CapCut for editing, and image generators for visuals, separate AI video tools, stock image websites, and somehow we normalized 5 to 10 tools just to make one single piece of content. But I recently found an AI platform called Pi, and honestly this might be one of the most complete AI creator tools I have tested this year because it combines AI presentations, AI image generation, AI cinematic video generation, social media post creation, content repurposing, all inside one single platform. So today I'm going to test whether Pi can replace the entire creator workflow or not. This is Pi.inc, and originally it started as presentation tool, but now it's more like AI content production studio. And honestly, that's what makes this interesting. Pi combines one-click content generation, AI images, AI video generation, AI social media content creation, and of course PPT generation, and even multiple export formats inside one single workflow. No switching tabs, no downloading assets constantly, no jumping between 5 different AI websites. And for creators, this is huge because most of our time isn't spent creating ideas, it is spent managing chaos. So let's just go ahead and test this tool and see what this tool is really capable of. So to start using this tool, just click on the link in description and then you can just sign up and then you can start using it. Once you're signed up, this is how the dashboard will look like. Now there is this feature that caught my attention. This is called one-click generation. So in this one-click mode, you just give it like rough notes, script, or maybe bullet points and even messy ideas, and it automatically turns them into a design presentation or different type of contents. So let's test this feature with a real creator workflow. I'm going to paste a rough YouTube script about AI agents. So I just pasted my script in here and I will just press enter. And now normally this would take like formatting, templates, layouts, designs, graphics, and hours of cleanup. But this tool has immediately analyzed my script idea. It has divided that into different sections. And now it is asking me to select different slide of presentation. So I think maybe something like this. You can like preview all of these different slide templates and then now click on generate. And now it will immediately generate a high quality PowerPoint presentation for us. There you go. You can see it took literally just few seconds. I mean, I could not even complete my sentence and it turned that rough YouTube idea into a full-fledged presentation. It has the author name, created with Pi, and then content, and then all of these slides in here. You can edit and customize these slides, but just have a look at the speed. I mean, it designed that in literally just like literally few seconds. And you can see these slides look like really professional. It even created visual hierarchy, and that's really important for creators because you can instantly repurpose YouTube videos, Twitter threads, LinkedIn posts, and educational content, maybe brand decks as well, without redesigning everything manually. This is basically content manipulation, and honestly this alone could save creators hours every single week. Now the next feature that I want to test is AI image generation. So Pi doesn't just generate slides, it has also built-in AI image generation directly inside your workflow, which means no stock image websites, no mid-journey tabs, no separate image tools. Everything happens inside Pi, and it does support multiple AI image models as well, like the world famous GPT Image 2 and the best AI model out there for image generation, Nano Banana Pro. Also it has C-Dream 4, Z Image Turbo, and Flux as well. So you have got all of these options in here, so it doesn't matter what sort of image you want to generate, you can totally use any of these AI models. There are these different styles as well. You can create like realistic images, cartoonish images, watercolor images, animes, oil painting, 3D, pixel, and maybe pop art as well. So let's just test this functionality by just giving it a prompt. So I want to create a futuristic AI workspace with holographic interface, cinematic lighting, and modern startup aesthetics. So this is the image that I want to generate. There is this really important feature which is called prompt enhance. You can totally enhance your prompt as well, because maybe your simple idea will not generate the best image. So you can just use the prompt enhance, because this feature is actually trained to feed the best possible prompt, the best possible input to these AI models to get the best possible results. So I can simply just click on prompt enhance and it can just enhance our prompt, and then I can simply just press on enter, and now the generation will start. I did not select any of the aspect ratios. I'm giving complete freedom to this tool to create the best possible image based on the prompt. And there you go, you can see it has created this image and it just looks like a standard AI image, nice quality, and the most important thing is it is happening inside the deck builder, not separately. Now we can give it, now let's just try a different style. This time I want to create stylized infographic illustration showing AI agents collaborating with each other. So let's just press enter, and now let's just see what sort of image it will generate. There you go, this image is actually more impressive. Just have a look at the text details, just have a look at the way it has created these different AI agents working together. So this image is more descriptive, it has more details, because this is not just AI slide, it has especially the text details and overall presentation of this image. I mean, if you wanted to like design it manually without using AI, it could take like way more time. Now this is actually powerful because creators can mix styles inside one single project. For example, photorealistic hero images and stylized illustrations, infographic visuals, thumbnails, cinematic scenes, all of that you can create without leaving the platform. And honestly, I can absolutely see why creators would cancel the stock image subscriptions after this. Now let's talk about the next feature, which is AI video generation. And this feature just changes everything because Pi includes one of the best AI model out there, which is Seedance 2.0. This AI model can generate high quality cinematic AI videos directly from text prompts. And this is where this platform actually starts feeling more futuristic because your slides don't need to stay static. You can actually embed cinematic AI generated videos inside your content. So inside this feature using Seedance 2.0, you can generate images from references. You can also provide the frames as well, maybe first frame and last frame, basically to guide, basically to tell AI to accurately like generate certain kind of video. Also, you can choose video duration up to 15 seconds as well. You can also choose the resolution to like 720p and also the aspect ratio to all these different aspect ratios. So I'm just going to give it this prompt, which is cinematic shot of a futuristic AI startup office with holographic scenes and dramatic lighting. Now I can simply just press enter and wait for a minute, and it is going to create a high quality cinematic video for me. And there you go, just have a look at this video. It has created this nice high quality video. This actually looks wild. Now imagine using this for course intros, startup pitches, and YouTube B-rolls, even social media ads, product showcases, and even motion graphics. Now you can input that video in here as well in this slide to make it this, to just put life into this presentation. So I'm just going to add that video in here. So I'll just create a new slide. Now I will just add that video in here. I can adjust the size. So yeah, this video will be added inside the presentation just like that, perfectly. So also there are other features as well. You can actually generate images and videos directly inside, like in here, inside this presentation creator. There is this option called AI generate. If you just click on that, so now if you just like play, you can see our presentation will play that video just like that. So you've already seen how capable this AI tool really. Now modern creators don't just need slides anymore. We need visuals, motion, branding, social media content, storytelling all together. I think tools like this represent the next stage of AI content creation, because right now most creators work with fragmented workflows, too many tabs, too many subscriptions, too many disconnected tools. But Pi is trying to combine the entire workflow into one single ecosystem. And for creators, that means faster execution, more content output, less production friction, more creative freedom, and honestly that's the real value here. Not just productivity, creative moment, because when creation becomes easier, you experiment more, you post more, you test more ideas, you build faster. So yeah, after testing this tool, I genuinely think this is one of the most interesting AI creator platform I have seen recently, especially for YouTubers, AI creators, educators, social media creators, startup founders, and brand teams, because it combines AI presentations, AI images, AI cinematic videos, social media content workflows into one single platform. And honestly, I can already see creator workflows moving in this direction. So if you want to try Pi for yourself, I will leave the link in description, and let me know in comment section what you think about Pi. Also do let me know, would you rather subscribe to 5 different tools or maybe one single platform that does everything? If you have any further questions, just leave your comments in comment section, and I'll see you next video. Bye bye.